Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Motorola G67 is not turning on. So first of all, plug in charger. Now plug in charger. After plug in charger, after that restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon, click on restart. After click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates, click on got it or update option. After click on got it or update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix if your Motorola G67 is not turning on. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.